Let's take a look at how to access the Future Skills Hub through your Okta dashboard. You can either use the search bar or scroll down until you see the Future Skills Hub. Click on it to enter. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and simple interface. In the top right corner, you'll find links to the Future Skills Award, upcoming workshops, and the Home button. These key sections are also available in the center of the screen. The Future Skills Award is made up of 6 skill programs, each with 3 levels. Level 1, Spark, short, bite-sized online modules. Level 2, Go Deeper, online or instructor-led workshops. Level 3, Connect the Dots, larger experiences such as summits, hackathons, volunteer gigs, or wildcard events. Next is upcoming workshops. Here you'll find a list of workshops scheduled over the coming weeks. Expanding a workshop shows details such as the trainer's name, date, duration, venue, and description. At the bottom, you'll see a blue Book This Event button. Clicking this will register you for the workshop, and you'll automatically receive a confirmation email with a calendar invite attached. The third section is the e-learning hub. This contains a wide range of e-learning modules and online courses. You can browse anytime and filter them by skill area using the menu on the left-hand side. The fourth section is About NVI. By clicking here, you can learn more about the New Venture Institute, meet the core team, and find contact details. You can also reach out to us directly via email. At the bottom of the hub, you'll see popular employer films. These are short videos that rotate regularly, giving you insights from different employers. And that's it. It's easy to use and designed to support your learning journey. Happy exploring and happy learning.